Hello students, welcome back to the next session on simple equations. In previous video we had completed exercise 4.2 which is fully based on solving an equations to find a solution using the method of balancing equations. And in previous video I had given some homework questions. Now I am attaching the solutions for that. You just check out your answers. In today's video, we are going to learn a new method for solving an equation. Already we had solved many equations and we had found solutions using a method of balancing equations. Now we are going to study about transposition method, which is a familiar method to solve an equation. For this, step 1, simplify and remove the grouping symbols such as brackets, which means firstly, we have to solve the bracketed values. Next, transfer all the variable terms to LHS and all the constants to RHS, which means we have to rearrange the terms. We have to keep all the variable terms in left hand side and the constant term in right hand side. While rearranging these terms, the signs of the terms will be changing when moved from one side to other side. After that, we have to simplify the equation to get one term on each side, which means variable on left hand side and constant on right hand side. That will be our final solution. While writing our final solution, the variables will definitely have positive signs. The constants may be positive or negative, which means we cannot represent the variable with negative sign. Now we can start exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Solve the following equations. Here we are given 10 subdivision of questions. We can solve one by one. A subdivision. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Now we are going to solve the equation and we have to find the solution. For that we are using the method of transposing. So consider our LHS 2y plus 5 by 2. Firstly we are transposing the constant term from LHS to the right hand side so that it becomes 2y is equal to 37 by 2 and 5 by 2 was transposed from left hand side. In left hand side, the symbol of 5 by 2 is plus. While transposing to the right hand side, the sign will be changed so that it becomes minus 5 by 2. Now, 2y is equal to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Now we are simplifying the RHS. 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. In this, the denominators are same so that we can directly subtracting the numerators. That is 37 minus 5 whole divided by 2, which is equal to 32 by 2, which is equal to 16. Our LHS is same as it is. Now the equation becomes 2y is equal to 16. Now we have to separate the variable and constant so that we are dividing both the sides by 2. So that it becomes 2y divided by 2, which is equal to 16 by 2. In LHS, 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled and it becomes y. Our RHS is 16 by 2, that is 8. Therefore, our solution is y is equal to 8. B subdivision. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Firstly, we are transposing the constant term from the LHS to the RHS. While transposing plus 28 from LHS to RHS, its symbol will be changing. In LHS, the symbol of 28 is plus. When it is transposed to the RHS, it becomes minus 28. So that our equation becomes 5t is equal to 10 minus 28, which implies 5t is equal to 10 minus 28 is minus 18. Now it becomes 5t is equal to minus 18. Again we are dividing both the sides by 5 and we got 5t divided by 5, which is equal to minus 18 by 5. In LHS 5 and 5 will be getting cancelled and it becomes t. Our RHS minus 18 divided by 5. Therefore t is equal to minus 18 by 5, which is the required solution. C subdivision, a by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Consider our LHS a by 5 plus 3. Firstly, we are transposing plus 3 from LHS to RHS so that its symbol has changed and it becomes a by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3. Now, a by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Thus, our equation becomes a by 5 is equal to minus 1. Now we are multiplying with 5 on both sides and we got a by 5 into 5, which is equal to minus 1 into 5. In LHS 5 and 5 will be getting cancelled and it becomes a. Our RHS is minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5. Therefore a is equal to minus 5, which is our required solution. D subdivision, q by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Consider our LHS, that is q by 4 plus 7. While transposing plus 7 to the RHS, its symbol will be changed and it becomes q by 4 is equal to 5 minus 7. Now q by 4 is equal to 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Thus our equation becomes q by 4 is equal to minus 2. Now we are multiplying with 4 on both sides and we got q by 4 into 4, which is equal to minus 2 into 4. In LHS, 4 and 4 will be getting cancelled and it becomes q. Our RHS is minus 2 into 4, that is minus 8. Thus our solution is q is equal to minus 8. Next, E subdivision, 5 by 2x is equal to minus 10. Firstly, we are multiplying 2 on both sides to eliminate the denominator, so that it becomes 5 by 2x into 2, which is equal to minus 10 into 2. In LHS, 2 and 2 will be getting cross cancelled and it becomes 5x. Our RHS is minus 10 into 2, that is minus 20. Now it becomes 5x is equal to minus 20. Again we are dividing with 5 on both sides. We got 5x by 5, which is equal to minus 20 by 5. In LHS, 5 and 5 will be getting cancelled and it becomes x. Our RHS is minus 20 by 5, that is minus 4. Therefore x is equal to minus 4, which is our required solution. Next, F subdivision is homework. At last I will attach all the homework questions. Now, G subdivision, 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. Firstly, we are transposing and we got 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 by 2. While transposing from left hand side to right hand side, its symbol has been changed, so that it becomes 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 by 2. Now consider our RHS, that is 13 minus 19 by 2. Since the denominators are different, we can take LCM to solve. By taking the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2, so that it becomes 26 minus 19 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2. Now our equation is 7m is equal to 7 by 2. Again we are dividing with 7 on both sides. We got 7m by 7, which is equal to 7 by 2 divided by 7. In LHS, 7 and 7 will be getting cancelled. And in RHS, 7 by 2 divided by 7. So as the division of fractions rule, we are keeping the first term, that is 7 by 2, as same, and division symbol should be converted into multiplication symbol, and the reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. Now it becomes 7 by 2 into 1 by 7. Here 7 and 7 will be getting cross cancelled and it becomes 1 by 2. Therefore, m is equal to 1 by 2, which is our required solution. H subdivision is homework. Next, I subdivision, 3l by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Firstly, we are multiplying with 2 on both sides. We got 3l by 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 by 3 into 2. In LHS, 2 and 2 will be getting cross cancelled and it becomes 3l. Our RHS is 2 by 3 into 2, which is equal to 4 by 3. Now our equation is 3l is equal to 4 by 3. Again we are dividing with 3 on both sides. We got 3l divided by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3 divided by 3. In LHS, 3 and 3 will be getting cancelled. Our RHS is 4 by 3 divided by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3 into reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Now it becomes 4 by 3 into 1 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 9. Therefore, L is equal to 4 by 9, which is our required solution. J subdivision, 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. Firstly, we are transposing minus 5 to RHS, so that it becomes 2b by 3 is equal to 5 plus 3. While transposing minus 5 from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 5. So that 2b by 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. Now our equation becomes 2b by 3 is equal to 8. Now we are multiplying with 3 on both sides. We got 2b by 3 into 3, which is equal to 8 into 3. In LHS, 3 and 3 will be getting cancelled and it becomes 2b. Our RHS is 8 into 3, that is 24. Now our equation becomes 2b is equal to 24. Again we are dividing with 2 on both sides. We got 2b divided by 2, which is equal to 24 divided by 2. In our LHS, 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled and it becomes b. In our RHS, 24 divided by 2, which is equal to 12. Therefore, b is equal to 12. Question number 2. Solve the following equations. Here we are given 5 subdivision of questions in which the equations are somewhat different. We can solve one by one. A subdivision, 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. In our equation, we are having a bracketed values. Firstly, we have to eliminate that bracket, so that we are dividing both the sides by 2 and we got 2 into x plus 4 whole divided by 2, which is equal to 12 by 2. In LHS, 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled and it becomes x plus 4. Our RHS is 12 by 2, that is 6. Now our equation is x plus 4 is equal to 6. While transposing plus 4 to the RHS, it becomes minus 4 and thus x is equal to 6 minus 4, which implies x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. B subdivision, 3 into n minus 5 is equal to 21. Firstly, we have to remove that bracket so that we are dividing with 3 on both the sides and we got 3 into n minus 5 whole divided by 3, which is equal to 21 by 3. In LHS, 3 and 3 will be getting cancelled and it becomes n minus 5. Our RHS is 21 by 3, that is 7. Thus our equation is n minus 5, which is equal to 7. Now we have to transpose this minus 5 to the RHS so that it becomes plus 5. Now our equation is n is equal to 7 plus 5, which is implies n is equal to 7 plus 5 is 12. Therefore, n is equal to 12, which is our required solution. C subdivision is homework. Next, D subdivision. Minus 4 into 2 plus x, which is equal to 8. Consider our LHS, that is minus 4 into 2 plus x. Firstly, we have to remove that bracket so that we are dividing with minus 4. Since we are having negative symbol in our LHS, we are dividing here with minus 4. So that minus and minus will be getting cancelled. So while dividing both the sides by minus 4, we got minus 4 into 2 plus x whole divided by minus 4, which is equal to 8 by minus 4. In LHS, minus 4 and minus 4 will be getting cancelled and it becomes 2 plus x. Our RHS is 8 by minus 4, which is equal to minus 2. Thus our equation is 2 plus x is equal to minus 2. Now we are transposing plus 2 from LHS to the RHS. While transposing, it becomes minus 2. Thus our equation is x is equal to minus 2. Already RHS is also minus 2. Now x is equal to minus 2 is minus 4. Hence x is equal to minus 4, which is our required solution. Next, E subdivision. 4 into 2 minus x, which is equal to 8. Firstly, we are dividing with 4 on both the sides. We got 4 into 2 minus x whole divided by 4, which is equal to 8 by 4. In LHS, 4 and 4 will be getting cancelled and it becomes 2 minus x. Our RHS is 8 by 4, that is 2. Now our equation is 2 minus x, which is equal to 2. Now we are transposing plus 2 from LHS to the RHS and it becomes minus 2. So that our equation is minus x is equal to 2 minus 2. Now minus x is equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. Hence we got minus x is equal to 0. As I said, the variables should not carry the negative symbol, so that we are transposing the negative symbol to the opposite side so that it becomes plus symbol. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Since 0 does not carry any symbols, simply x is equal to 0, which is our required solution. So on conclusion, in today's video we had discussed about transposition method. So transposition method is used to solve the equation to find the solution. Firstly, we have to remove the brackets if it is given in the equation. Then we have to transpose the variables and all on LHS and constants and all on RHS. While transposing one term to the opposite sides, the signs will be getting changed. After that, we can simplify using the usual method. And finally, we will be getting a solution. So by applying this transposing method, we had completed up to question number 2 of exercise 4.3. Now I am attaching the homework questions. You just do by your own. Thank you, children.